children. This is your EVS class. Today we are going to practice of that is lesson number 3 and 4. In last class we practice of that is lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. Today we are going to practice that is lesson number 3 plants of backyard and we are for you. Good? Yes. See here, write missing letters. You should whatever red letters are there, you should underline that letters because those are missing letters. Okay. Then read first one R double dash T. You should write double O. That is a missing letter, right? So then read that R double O T root. The next one P dash A dash T. What you have to write here? L and N. Read once what it will happen. P L A N T plant. Okay. The next one is C dash double E dash E R. What you have to write here? That is C R double E P E R creeper. Yes. Yes. The next T double dash E. T double dash D. What you have to write here? T R double E. It will be a tree. Got children? Yes. The next fruits. F R U I T S fruits. The next G dash A I dash yes. You have to write R I N, right? That it will be a grains. The next P dash L dash E S pulses. What you have to write? P U L S E S pulses. Yes. Next read all these once again. That is R double O T root, P L A N T plant, C R double E P E R creeper, T R double E tree, F R U I T S fruits, G R A I N S grains, P U L S E S pulses. Yes children, these are the missing letters. Okay. The next one, write true or false. Okay. See here, read the first sentence, then you should say that whether it is true or false. Okay. Then first one is, tree lives many years. Yes or no children? Yes, tree lives many years. Then it is true. The next one, herbs are small plants. Whether herbs are small plant? Yes, then it is true. The next, shrubs are bigger than trees. Whether shrubs are bigger than trees? No, shrubs are smaller than trees, so it is false. The next, coconut fruits are not tasty. Whether coconut fruits are not tasty? No, then it is false. The next, sunflower give us oil. Yes or no children? Sunflower give us oil. Yes, then it is true. Using the flowers, we can make perfumes. Yes, no children? We can get a perfume from what? Flowers. Yes or no? Yes, then it is true. The turmeric and tulsi are not a medicinal plant. Whether these two are not a medicinal plants? No, these two are a medicinal plant. So it is false. Got children? Yes. The next, fill in the blanks. Okay. Whatever the red words are there, those are a dash. Okay, you should fill with the what is the answer. Okay, next. Trees are dash plants. What? Trees are dash plants. Trees are big plants. Yes or no? Yes, trees are big plants. The next one. Dash have a weak stem. Which plant have a weak stem? Whether creepers have a weak stem? No. Climbers have a weak stem because they need a support to grow, right? Yes. The next one, dash are beautiful part of the plant. Think children, which is a beautiful part of the plant? Yes. Flowers are the beautiful part of the plant. Yes or no? The flowers are very different colors, right? So, the flowers are a beautiful part of the plant. Okay. The next, we get wood from the dash. How you get the woods? Yes, we get wood from the trees? Yes or no? Because the trees are very big plant, right? We get wood from the trees. Yes. Next, dash add a flavor to food. Who will add a flavor to food? Spices. Yes. Yes. The next, small plants are called. What we call the very small plants? Think, children. Small plants are called herbs. Yes. Yes. Read once these all. The trees are big plants. Climbers have a weak stem. Flowers are beautiful part of the plant. We get wood from the trees. Spices add a flavor to food. Small plants are called herbs. Got, children? Yes. And the next bit. Who am I? You should identify who it is. Yes. Yes. Read the first sentence what it is. I am a stem. I give you sweet juice. Who is it is? Yes. Sugar cane. Yes or no, children? Yes. It is. The sugar cane juice is very sweet, right? Yes. Then it is sugar cane. I add flavor to food. Who add a flavor to food? Spices, right? Yes. The next one. I grew under the ground. Who is underground? Whether it is stem? No. Root grow under the ground. Yes, children? Yes. I have a soft green stem. Who have a soft green stem? Yes. Herb. Herb have a soft green stem. Yes or no, children? Yes. The next. I need support to grow. Who need a support to grow? Yes. Climbers need a support to grow. Yes or no? With the help of the stakes or a wall, they will grow. So, the climbers need a helps to grow. The next, I live many years. Who will live many years? Trees. Yes or no? Tree lives many years. Got, children? Yes. The next bit. Answer the following questions. Okay. What is tree, children? I hope you all know the answer, right? Yes. Trees are very big and strong plants. Yes or no? Very big and strong plants are called trees. Got, children? Yes. Next, what is a herb? Herbs are very small plants. Yes or no, children? Herbs are very small plants. They have a soft green stem. Okay. That is called herbs. Mention the types of plants. You all know what are the types of plants, right? Let's name them. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. These are the types of plants. Yes or no? Yes. The next one. Write the name of trees you have seen. What? Write the name of trees you have seen. You have saw so many trees, right? Okay, you should mention few of them. What are? Mango tree, coconut tree and so many trees are there, right? These we commonly saw these two, right? That is mango tree and coconut tree. Got, children? Yes. And next one. Write the name of three vegetables. Right? Name of the three vegetables. What are the vegetables you saw in your home? Yes, that is brinjal, tomato and potato. Yes, these are the vegetables, right? We saw in our home. The next one. Name any four part of the plants. See, in lesson we saw the parts of the plant, right? So you should write few parts of the plant names. First one is fruit will be there. Yes. Flower will be there. Leaf, stem and root. So many parts are there like branches, leaf, right? See here, I mentioned here fruit, flower, leaf, stem and root. These are the parts of a plant. Okay. The next, match the following. You should match. You should see the images and you should match what it is. See, first one is what it is. Yes, apple. Apple, no? Whether it is a flower? No, apple is a fruit. Then match whether where is the fruit is there, right? Yes. The next one. What it is? Rose. Rose is a leaf? No, it is a flower. So match with flower. The next. Tea. Tea made up by leaf, no? Yes, we will make a tea using a leaf. Then you should match with the leaf. Right? Got children? Apple is a fruit. Rose is a flower. Tea we made using a leaf. Got children? Yes. The next. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is a stem. Right? Carrot. Carrot is a root. And wheat is a seed. Yes. Okay, see here. Sugarcane is a stem, carrot is a root, and wheat is a seed. Right? Okay. I hope you all got these bits, right? You should complete in your classwork, right? You should write neatly all the bits. Okay? Thank you. Bye.